Safety at home. You must be thinking that you are staying at your home, then what can be the danger? No, you are staying at your home, so what are the rules you have to follow? Okay, then only you will be safe. Safety at home. So children, first point, what is this? Do not play with things like, so these are the sharp things. These are the sharp things. Scissors, knife and blade. These are the sharp thing. So you should not play with the sharp thing. Clear? Now, this is the switches and wires. You should not touch this one. Medicine, without the permission or without any notice of your guardian, you should not touch the medicines. And the matchstick. Matchstick, you know, from here we use it for firing. So if you will use this one, what will happen? It can burn you, right? So it is very important not to play with these things. These three are the sharp thing. These are the electric wires and switches, medicines and matchstick. Do not touch the following things with wet hand. Wet hand means in your hand, if water is there, then what will happen? You will get shock. So what are the electrical things you should not touch with the wet hands? An iron, an oven, a geyser, a toaster. So these all are electrical gadgets. Okay, so you should not touch them with the wet hand. Do not touch electrical sockets and switches with wet hands. As I told you in the previous point, that you should not touch the electrical sockets and wires with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. So if you will touch the electrical sockets and the switches with the wet hand, what will happen? You will get electric shock. Do not leave your toys, bags and shoes on the floor. You or someone else could fall over them. So you are taking the toys out from the place, or bags and shoes, you are littering it on the floor anywhere. Okay, so what will happen? You also can harm yourself, or somebody else could fall over them and harm it. Okay, the next point is what? Do not go near stoves. So you should not go near the stoves. Why? If you will touch it, what will happen? What will happen? Do not touch hot pans or boil water. Then you will get what? Next point is, do not go near stoves. Do not touch hot pans or boiling water. If you will touch, what will happen? See the reaction. It can burn you. Okay, so you should not touch hot pans or go to the near to the stove. Now the last point is what? Do not open the door for a stranger. Stranger means an unknown person, okay, to whom you don't know. So you should not open the door for them.